Oh wow, look at that. I know you're thinking, Josh, why are you taking a picture of a skid plate for a 2019 Nissan Murano? Well, let me tell you the funny story. Not so funny. My wife got into an accident and they were supposed to, fix the repair, which they did. They fixed the repair of the actual vehicle because all this was crunched in, okay? But they forgot to put this back under it. So right now there's nothing. So luckily, Amazon sells this for 50 bucks. Now I know I could have taken it up there and raised all kind of Cain and been like, you guys forgot to put that on there, blah, 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 blah. And they would have probably fought back and said, you know what? You signed for it saying it was all good. So tough. Well, that pissed me off. Just that internal dialogue that I never had with them, in my own head. So I'm gonna put this on there. Let me show them looking. All right, so underneath here, this here is supposed to have coverage. Like, you're not supposed to be able to, let me get a light. You're not supposed to be able to see all of this. This is supposed to be covered up. That way road debris and things that kick up onto the ground don't damage simple things like your plastic oil cover, or your transmission cover, because it's a front wheel drive. You got both right here in the front. So there should be a cover here, but is there a cover here? No, there's not. They decided to leave that little piece off. They got these little camouflages on the side, but that's not it. You need this piece to go there. So I got me some push pins that can push them into place, and I got me the thing. I'm gonna put it up here and see if I can do the thing, all right? Alrighty, push pins. They're tough to get in, so I didn't film that because it's just a lot of me grunting and squirming my body around. But I feel better now that this is protected. Again, I found this on like Amazon for like 56 bucks. But now we're good to go. So we're gonna call that done. Anywho, hopefully you don't run in the same situation we are, but if you do have that situation, good luck. And maybe this helps. Thanks for watching, y'all. The awkward part is me on the ground. Oh, I'm tired. Anyway, time to clean up.